Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock people that you block on Facebook. First thing, let's launch the Facebook app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Next step will be to go on the top right corner where you see the gear icon. You click on the gear icon and you're on the settings and privacy. What you want to do from now on is to scroll down to the section that is simply related to audience and visibility. The almost second to the last option will be blocking. You click on blocking and here you will find people that once you block. And this is very important because you can simply create a brand new list or simply unblock all these people. Scrolling down, I presume you do have much more people that you block. Unfortunately, you can actually Google for individual people or persons by clicking the plus sign. You can actually type the name of the person because sometimes you probably block someone a couple of months or years ago, and now you try to reunite with the person, you try to establish new relationship. So it will be much easier for you to go and look for the person in the blocked list, because if you simply go on Facebook search and search for the person, because you block it most likely not gonna show on the public search. So the only way for you to search and find him and to unblock him manually will be going through the inner search of the blocking list. This is where you actually type the name person or you type the handle. You're gonna find the person and you're going to unblock the person from here. Don't try to do a lot of mistakes usually people do. They try to Google the person. They cannot find the person. Even Google will not show you the account that you blocked because the link associated with the Facebook account has been blocked from you. So you have to go on the blocking list on this particular privacy setting and then you can unblock it. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.